most of the time when I go thrift store hunting, I kind of look at what kind of projects could I make out of the stuff that's there. You know, they say one person's trash is another person's treasure. So this is a treasure for me. This cost about 50 cents. And when I took a look at it, I said, well, what can I use this for? What can I repurpose? And I said, well, how about a saw blade holder? So that was a pretty good deal, and it kind of keeps everything compact, and it's pretty much sturdy. Also, you could say that I love cases. I found this case a while back, probably cost me about $2. And what this case was a children's toy spy game, or spy gear. And I thought, hey, you know, this would be a really nice box. It's sturdy, and what I do use it for is to keep all my blades in here. That way, I know exactly where everything's at, and it also protects it from any damage. So that was a good one. I also found this one. Now this case was through Susan Orman. Now if you don't know who she is, she's someone that talks about financial planning, and in this box was a lot of, I suppose, the paperwork, all the documentation when you attend our class. But I thought that this case would be a really great case for one of my tools. So what I did was I repurposed this into my Brad Neller case. And what I did was I cut down some of the plastic down here to make it fit, got the styrofoam, and most of the styrofoam are from the tools or the toys or the desk or whatever I have styrofoam from. And I kind of hold on to them and say, well, what can I use it for? So it came really in handy on this project here. Also, right here was a pencil holder, so I just repurposed this area, put a little tab on it to hold all my brad nails. So next time you go thrift hunting, kind of think, what is it that I can make a project out of, or what is it something that can help me out, keep myself organized? Then think of bargain second. Well, happy thrifting.